Di tengah inflasi, mayoritas bisnis limusin dan juga mobil sewa berpengemudi lainnya di Amerika Serikat pun dirundung rugi. Namun bisnis milik diaspora Indonesia di pinggiran Washington DC justru mendulang untung, bahkan berhasil menggait sejumlah klien baru. Berikut liputan tim VOA dari Maryland, Amerika Serikat.
Dari rumah mereka, pasangan Erna Widayati asal Yogyakarta dan Patrick Matheson asal Belgia menjalankan Time Advantage Limo. Layanan kendaraan bisnis dan formal lengkap dengan pengemudi bersetelan jas. Perusahaan ini melayani kawasan sekitar Washington DC, Maryland, Virginia, dan West Virginia, termasuk Pennsylvania.
Limousine itu ya, di sini dinyatakan itu kendaraan yang panjang. Jadi itu sebetulnya itu mobil biasa dibelah, terus ditambah di stretch. We have limousine, we have limo bus, we have van, and we have a regular business car, and then the sedan.
Dengan mengantongi 23 perizinan dari negara bagian Maryland dan federal, Time Advantage mulai beroperasi 2011 dengan hanya 2 sedan. Kini mereka punya armada, lengkap dengan limo panjang. Walau servis limo identik dengan pesta, Erna dan Patrick cukup disiplin kepada penumpang.
Karena regulation itu very ketat ya, very strict ya. Jadi kita nggak bisa ada yang open, we don't do that. Okay. Karena resiko kecelakaan atau itu lebih tinggi. Kita senang yang safe and fun, you know.
Klien pun beragam, termasuk pangkalan militer dan perusahaan besar.
Itu kira-kira 40% dari bisnis kita adalah private school.
Saat ini Time Advantage memiliki 12 kendaraan pemirsa. Mungkin yang paling terkenal ini adalah Stretch Limo, tapi sebetulnya ada yang lebih populer lagi pemirsa, yaitu Limo Bus. Nah, Limo Bus ini bisa muat 14 orang pemirsa. Yuk kita lihat dalamnya kayak apa.
The reason why I designed it this way is we do a lot of long trips to New York and stuff, and we do a lot of business people lately. So in the morning when we drive them to New York, they're sitting on the tables, they have outlets there for their laptops, and they are doing their work. Then in New York they do their business meeting, and in the late afternoon we drive them back and they sit in the back here and have some refreshments. With COVID we had a very difficult time. We had to go into a retirement account, but we survived. We survived and other businesses closed. So now we have this whole area because they have nobody else to go to. And we kept our prices below, below competition because we want people have a good time.
Andrea Howe sudah menggunakan jasa mereka selama 10 tahun.
I feel like they really care about their clients. They're not just a big corporation. They really have that personal relationship. They bend over backwards to make sure that they can do the times that you need. You get that kind of family experience. They don't just treat you as a customer. You kind of become family.
Dari Hagerstown, Maryland, Aryatno Budianto, Ronan Zakaria, dan Irfan Ihsan, VOA.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.